crypto forex market is back again. We're back again to update you on what's happening with the XRP USD. And as we could see XRP USD on the weekly. It's looking very, very bullish. You can see my indicators here. The MACD is pointing up. You can see the RSI is pointing up. And you can see the stochastic is also pointing up as well on the weekly. So I'm going to give you a clearer picture of XRP USD. We'll be touching on some of the other cryptocurrencies that I spoke about last week. As you can see, this week was very bullish. Last week was quite bearish. And we're still over the 61 fib ratio, as I said before. Around this ratio here is my golden ratio. So we're keeping above, which is good news. And we're waiting for the first pump to happen to the $1 mark at least. And we could see that eventually happening. It's taking longer than usual, but it will happen. It's basically waiting on the US dollar to literally fall, which the US dollar at the moment is a bit bullish at the moment, but it's going to fall soon, very soon. But I'll go on to the US dollar and I'll show you what's going on. I believe once US dollar falls, and it's falling anyway, but once it eventually continues to fall even harder than what it is, we're going to see the crypto market, especially altcoins, go up. So I'm looking for the $1 mark for that to reach there. And if I just, this is the move that I'm looking for. Once it reaches the 50 cents, I'm looking for a move like this to the $1. And then eventually something like this up there to the $1 mark, and then test this region here and then continue up. So we're going to get that kind of move that is to happen. So if I just widen up the screen a little bit more, yeah, that's what I'm looking for. And then the next resistance that is going to meet once it reaches the $1 is actually the around $3 mark, around this level. That's where it last actually came down, which was in 2018. But once, I believe once it reached there, it's going to steam right through that, and then we'll be $2 and then upwards. Yeah. And I believe my overall goal is around the $30 mark and even higher. So yeah, that's my overall goal. So yeah, as you could see, it does take a little bit of time, but however, a patient man literally would get the rewards. So you just keep patient in that market, in this market. Any of you that's actually bought XRP, yeah, this is a good currency to hold. So once we get to that level, then sky's the limit. So it's looking really, really good. So let me just zoom down and just see what's happening on the 4-hour time frame. So we could see on the 4-hour time frame here. Just move that out of the way. I'll draw my trend line. You can see, yeah, it's really bullish on the 4-hour. So you can see that just wants to explode to the upside. So it's just waiting at the moment for the USD dollar to literally fall. So that will happen in time. But yeah, it's quite bullish. You could see it wasn't previously, but now at the moment it is bullish at the moment. Let's get this off. Yeah, now it is. You could see that it's just like waiting to just continue going up. Yeah, looking really good. Okay, I'm going to go on to the other crypto altcoins. If I just come out of that. So it all takes time. Eventually that will come up. But the early gainers, anybody that's bought around this level, that's a good level to buy. Anywhere around this level here. But if you get in on this late, then obviously you're going to be buying at a higher price. For me, I want to stay in and buy at a low price, because that's where you're going to win a lot more. But yeah, it's looking good. So I'm going to go into the next coins that I talked about before. Let's go to GRT USD. That was one of the new ones that I was talking about last week. We haven't had much movement. If you remember my last video last week, I told you about GRT. You could, if you're not sure about it, but you can take a screenshot of that. That gives you some information about GRT, what it is. I talked about it in my last video. If you haven't watched it, please watch it. But GRT at the moment is just consolidating. It's not going nowhere at the moment. But again, this level here is an area to buy. It's a very good area to buy. So if you haven't bought this altcoin, now's the time to get in. Because once it continues up, that's it. It's going to be at a high price that you're buying. Alright, so I'm going to move on to the next coin. But yeah, this is it. This is just not going nowhere at the moment. And again, USD, which is crossed with USD, once the USD market falls, which I'll show you in a minute, then we could see this going up a lot higher than what it is now. But this is a good level to buy in at, because obviously you could see this strong candle here that broke and tested this level. It's tested multiple times. Yeah, so this level I would advise, if you're buying it, buy it now. All right, so I'm going to go to the next one, Ksm Etc, and as you could see here right in front of you, extremely bullish. As I said, look at this. I've left it here so you guys could see what I was on about. See the fib 61? It went straight on my fib here. See, I told you guys. So guys, please subscribe if you see what I'm seeing. You see that I'm seeing was right. See, once you guys know about price action, then you'll be trading it easy. So this level here for the last, today's what, Sunday, so we got Sunday, Saturday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. So from Monday, Tuesday, I would say from Wednesday, even from Monday, we had a level that you guys could have bought in at here. And it's just gone to the moon. Virtually, it's gone to my 61 fib, right on target. You see that? See that, guys? This ain't no tricks. Straight to my 61. See? You see my key levels that I've told you about? So guys, if you like, please subscribe. Now this will come back down again, probably to this level, the 0 mark. That's a key level, and then continue back up. But guys, as I said, if you haven't bought this one, KSM, or if you have bought it here, then yeah, you guys must be in a lot of profit. A lot of profit. So that's about 2,000 and odd pips up. That's a lot of profit there. So yeah, that would have been an excellent buy. And obviously you could see here, it never broke down to the downside because I gave two scenarios. It could either break this, which it didn't. It tested my 61 fib. Came straight back down. This is a, yeah, it's reversed. Yeah. Onto my 61 fib here. Retraced, as we were saying trading. It's retraced right here, and then it's exploded to the upside. So we got to look for the next retrace down. There will be a next retrace, so I would prefer to wait for the next retrace for this currency to buy in at. I won't buy in it at this level here. It's really high. It's gone to my 61 fib, and most likely it could come back down again, guaranteed. So yeah, I would say the next best level would be around the 0 So if you see it wicking just like it done here around this level, which is strong candles here, it's broke out, this would be a key level to buy in at here. I'll just take that out of the way because that's happened now. So we might get a move like this, most likely to my 0 level, and then all the way back up here. So I'll leave that here right there. So next video you'll see if that's happened. Most likely it could happen. So we could get a retrace here and then straight up. Yeah, so you guys, whoever bought in, thumbs up. Yeah, you guys are smiling right now. So please subscribe. As you could see, this thing ain't waiting for no one. So if you haven't got in that, please get in. You see consolidation here. So I told you about XRP. It's just going to explode. By the time it explodes, it's going to be too late for you guys to buy in at. So I would advise you to buy in at when it's particularly like testing certain levels like this. Yeah. So once that level test this level here, you buy in at. This is clearly tested here, and it's gone straight up. Excellent analysis. Yeah, I'm quite happy about that one. So if I go out on the weekly, look at that strong weekly candle. Look at that. Got my EMAs pointing up. Everything's pointing up. See, RSI, Scotch, excellent, looking really good. Yeah, cryptocurrency, you can't, the crypto market, you can't go wrong with it. With the altcoins, you can't go wrong at all. This is proper buy. This is a buy. Altcoins, crypto market, that's it. This is it, man. And that candle will close bullish. Come back down to the daily. We got strong momentum upwards. So yeah, so you could see every time it's gone up, it's retraced. So we got retrace here, 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 and the next one most likely will be around here. So guys, put a thumbs up, subscribe. Let's go into the next coin. So let's look at Dogecoin, because we did talk about that in the past. And yeah, for the last, I would say week, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that's 2 weeks. So the previous week I said that it could either go up or go down, and it obviously went up. It's tested around this level and it's keeping around this level. We might get a movement to the downside again, will go up, but eventually this altcoin as well, which is called Dogecoin, will go up as well, and I can't see it going down at the moment. If it's going to go down, it will probably stay on this level here, because this is a strong support level right here. So again guys, as I said, this level here, so note my videos anytime I speak about the 61-71 fib ratio areas. These are the key levels, get in at definite key levels. And yet this coin is looking very nice, very nice. So anybody that got in at this level, well done to you. You would have gained, let's see how many pips. Yeah, you're looking at over 1,000 pips, 1,325, a lot of pips. Yeah. So yeah, I'm going to go into next coin, which is ALG, OUSD. They all got USD currency in it. You can see all of them are very similar moves. We've had a lot of testing around the 60-71 fib here, and you could see that it wants to go up as well. So yeah, this will be the area, the key area that you guys should have bought in at. If you haven't, then we might get another test maybe down here, then buying that quickly, and then that will go quick up to the top. But yeah, it's just all of them I believe are just waiting to just rise once the USD currency drops. But yeah, the altcoins are going to be the altcoins for this year, 2021, I believe. Yeah, so that's looking really strong. But yeah, it does take a bit of time, but as I said, in this market, you've got to be patient to win. You've got to be patient to win. So I'm going to go on to the next coin. Where are we now? Okay, dot coin. Let's go to dot USD. Dot USD, as you could see here, for the daily time frame we're on. So since we got Sunday today, Saturday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday. So from Tuesday we had a test directly on my 61 fib, as you could see here, right there. And then as soon as it tested that level, it's gone straight up, as you could see there. And that's probably ready to break this level or consolidate around this level before breaking this level. And then probably most likely this will be the next area to buy in at. So guys, as I said, 61-71 fib level is the key areas to buy in at. You can't go wrong. Can't go wrong at all. So yeah, so that's Dogecoin. So anybody that bought in around these levels here will be in quite a lot of profit right now. But yeah, it's only a matter of time that that's going to break up to the outside once the US dollar falls. Yeah, so I'm looking for that to actually go straight up, and obviously it's tested that already. So yeah, we could have an upside movement to the top. So something like this. So we might get a consolidation around this area and then break up, test this level straight up like that. Yeah, something like that. So watch that move. I'll keep you updated as we go along. Please subscribe if you like what you're seeing. Okay, any other coins that I missed? XRP, BTC. No, I'm not going to do that one today, but let me look at Bitcoin and see where Bitcoin is, and then I'll look at the USD currency and tell you what's going on with the USD dollar, because the USD dollar is affecting the altcoins at the moment and Bitcoin. But Bitcoin at the moment is a bit, stumbling all over the place. It's gone really high in the past months and year. So for me, I would say that Bitcoin most likely will drop. It's starting to weaken around this area here. So I could definitely see a drop for Bitcoin. So we'll probably get a drop coming soon. Altcoins will probably be taking over. But yeah, I could definitely see a drop. And if that drops, the level that I'm looking at, as I said before in my previous videos, is around this level here. That level I'll be interested in to buy around that level here, right here. But it's just a matter of time Bitcoin is going to drop. But yeah, I'm going to go into the USD market, which is the Dixie, which when you look at the Dixie, it does affect the altcoins to some degree. So let's take all of that stuff off. But yeah, this is what I'm looking for, which the Dixie is kind of weakening at the moment. If I go on the daily, I can show you clearly what's happening. So I'm looking for, which is done here, tested this level. So the Dixie broke out of this level here, which was around 92. Broke out, you can see that. And now it's tested this level where it broke out from, which is here. It appears like it wants to do a second retest. But the last week, it's tried to test this level here to the upside. But as you see, my RSI, my Scotch is overbought. So at some point, I'm looking for that DXY dollar to weaken. When that starts weakening even more, then we're going to see the altcoins. We're going to see the altcoins rise. That's all I'm waiting for. So on a weekly time frame, the previous week, very bearish. You see it tested this area where it broke out of here. Clear test. You see that red candle? That's a test. And then this green candle is trying to test it again. And then eventually, that's going to drop. I'll go down onto the daily. You could see that it was, consolidating last week. And it's going to weaken around this area here before we get a sudden drop. But it's going to drop pretty hard. Pretty hard. So watch out for that. Watch out for this level here, 92.188. So once I always keep my eye on the DXY, because when I see that dropping, that's it. I know that the altcoins are going to continue going up because of what's going on with the dollar, with the coronavirus and everything that's being heavily affected, and they've pumped so much money into it as well. It's time for it to fall. And I believe when it falls, literally we could be reaching these levels there, 79 on the DXY. So DXY will determine the move on all USD pairs. So all the altcoins that I just talked about, they got USD in it. So bit by bit, that's just going to drip all the way down. You can see it broke out of these levels here, the 94 level. It tested that level there, yeah, around that level, and it came straight down. And we could see it's testing this level that it broke out of, and then eventually that's going to drop as well. So that's all what's happening right now. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was detailed enough for you to understand how the market is playing. And guys, yeah, so this is what's happening. So I hope you guys invested something, because if you don't invest, then you're not gonna reap the rewards. So I hope you've enjoyed the Crypto Forex Market show today, and I will hit you up next week on some more news about the altcoins. So yeah, it's all good. So bye for now, and I'll see you soon. Take care.